Look at that, a real well-oiled machine. Now that's a good-looking system. Your orders are speeding by on your new conveyors. Your products are heading directly to your pickers from your new VLM, and those pallets look good in your new racking system. Hi, I'm Max Tiesman from the Engineered Solutions team at Raymond Storage Concepts. Can we get real for a sec? We all know this system didn't just magically appear. So how did we get here? To better understand, we've got to hit the rewind button. It started right here, a simple conversation and a lot of listening. We want the full lowdown on your goals, your workflow, and those operational aches and pains that keep you up at night. Because we're not here for a quick transaction. We're looking to be your partner for the long haul. Next, our engineers start designing. This is where things come alive. A custom engineered system, be it conveyor, automated storage, racking, or robotics, built precisely for your product and footprint. Then we move from the screen to reality. Our project managers take the lead. They handle everything: equipment delivery, scheduling installers, even making sure the permits are sorted. Their motto is simple: on track, on time, and on budget. And we don't leave you hanging once the installation is done. Think of our Lifecycle Services team as the in-house medical team for your operation, providing diagnostics, preventative maintenance, and emergency care. We're here to make sure your well-oiled machine stays well-oiled. With Lifecycle Services locked in, the system is officially a go. Now let's jump back to the payoff. And like that, you have a well-oiled operation system. With that kind of performance, you get a major boost in order fulfillment, a better use of your space, a happier, more productive team, and overall cost savings across the board. What a difference, right? So when you're ready to say goodbye to those operational aches and pains and hello to some serious efficiency, we're here to listen. Give us a call today for your free assessment, and we'll talk to you soon. Oh, hi, how can I help you today?